Here are some simple and cute hairstyles with step-by-step instructions. 1. Messy bun. A classic, cute, and effortless look. Steps. 1. Brush your hair to remove any tangles. 2. Gather your hair into a loose ponytail at the top of your head. 3. Twist the ponytail loosely and wrap it around the base. 4. Secure it with an elastic band or hairpins. 5. Pull out a few strands to frame your face for a relaxed look. Hairstyle 2. 2. Braided headband. Perfect for a cute, boho vibe. Steps. 1. Part your hair down the middle. 2. Take a small section of hair from one side of your head near the temple. Braid this section loosely and secure it with a hair tie. 4. Do the same on the other side. 5. Cross the two braids over your head and secure them at the back with bobby pins. Hairstyle 3. 3. Half up, half down twist. This hairstyle is simple yet stylish. Steps. 1. Part your hair down the middle, or to the side. 2. Take a section of hair from each side, starting from above your ears. 3. Twist the two sections toward the back of your head. 4. Secure them with a small elastic band or bobby pins. Hairstyle 4. 4. Low ponytail with a twist. A polished but easy style. Steps. 1. Brush your hair to smooth out any tangles. 2. Gather your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck. 3. Take a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to hide the elastic band. 4. Pin the end of the wrapped section with a bobby pin. Optional. Curl the ends of the ponytail for extra texture. Hairstyle 5. 5. Simple side braid. A sweet and easy braid. Steps. 1. Brush your hair to eliminate tangles. 2. Part your hair to one side. Gather the hair from the larger side and create a loose 3-strand braid. 4. Secure the end with an elastic band. 5. Gently pull the braid apart for a fuller, more relaxed look. Hairstyle 6. Twisted pigtails. Fun and playful. Steps. 1. Part your hair down the middle. 2. Take a section of hair from one side and twist it away from your face. 3. Repeat on the other side. Gather both twisted sections at the back of your head and secure with an elastic band. 5. Optionally, curl the ends or add a bow for extra cuteness. Hairstyle 7. 7. Space buns. A cute and trendy hairstyle. Steps. 1. Part your hair down the middle. 2. Create two high ponytails, one on each side of your head. Twist each ponytail into a bun and secure them with hair ties or bobby pins. 4. Pull out some strands for a messy, carefree look.